Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut a straight pencil skirt. Kindly help me watch till the end, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, the first thing we'll be needing is our measurements. It's very important to have our measurements. So these are the measurements we'll be needing. We'll be needing our round waist measurements, our round hip measurements, our hip line, and also our skirt length. So I'll be measuring half inches at the top of my paper and draw a straight line. That will be 7 as our waistline, and where I'll be taking my measurements from. From the waist, I'll be taking 8 inches from my hip line and draw a straight line. Also from the waist, I'll go down to my skirt length. I'll be measuring 19 inches from my skirt length, and I'll also make a straight line. After that, I will be coming to my hip line to take my round hip measurements. My round hip measurement is 38 divided by 4 to give us 9.5, and I'll make a mark at my hip line. From my waistline, I'll be marking my round waist measurement. My round waist measurement is 30 divided by 4. It will be giving me 7.5, and I'll mark the 7.5 at my waistline. Then I'll come down to my skirt length, and I'll be reducing 1 inches from my hip measurements to get the down part of my skirt. You can reduce 2 inches depending on how you want it to be tight on you. Then after that, we'll be coming to my waistline to add 1 inches from my dart and 1 inches from my sewing allowance. Also, I'll be coming to my hip line, adding 1 inches for sewing allowance. Also to my skirt length, I'll be adding 1 inches too for sewing allowance. So I'll be joining the points I made together. I'll be joining my hip to my waist, my hip to my skirt length. Then after joining them together, I'll be going to my waistline to measure my darts measurements. I'll be dividing my waist measurement, which is 7.5, into 2 to get the middle of my darts points. Then at that point, I'll go in by half inches to the side and also by half inches to the other side. So at the points I made first, I'll be measuring 5 inches for my dart length. Then after that, I'll join the points together. Then we'll cut out our front pattern. So the next thing we'll be doing is to cut out our back pattern. So I'll go ahead to be measuring 1.5 inches, 7 as my zip allowance. Then I'll use my straight ruler to draw a straight line on that. After that, I'll be placing my front pattern to my back pattern, and I'll be using my front to cut out my back pattern. So after cutting it out, I'll be taking my back darts. I'll take the same measurements which I took at the front pattern and be measuring the same thing at our back pattern. So I'll come to the side by half inches. I'll come to the other side by half inches, then use it to join the straight line which I made first. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly let me know if you have any question about this, and help me press the subscribe button, like, share and comment, and I'll be showing you how to sew this skirt in my next video. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.